Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And this is my 2-year anniversary giveaway. So I'm doing a giveaway for y'all because I've been on YouTube for 2 years now, and I couldn't have done it without your support, so I want to thank you. And I have this box, which I have filled with a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to show you what's in there. And this will run for 2 weeks, so this will end November 5th. November 5th is a Saturday, so I'm going to end it at midnight, and I'll draw a winner on November 6th, sometime on November 6th, and hopefully show that video that evening. If I remember, I might be a day or two late, so, but I will, definitely do it. Same rules as always apply for me. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. You have to be 18 years or older. You have to have an address in the continental United States for me to mail this. You can live anywhere, but I have to be able to mail this in the US, in the continental US. If you're allergic to anything, you have to be careful of that. I'm not responsible. If this gets lost in the mail, I'm not responsible. I'll have a tracking number for you, and that's never happened. You'll get it eventually. It may be delayed, but most of the time things get there just fine with the USPS Postal Service. So it should be fine getting to you. I want to thank you all so much for being here, because I couldn't have been here 2 years if y'all were not watching me, and I really adore you. I tell you that. I mean it. I really mean it. Y'all help me through my day, each and every day. So let me show you what's in this giveaway. I fit pretty much every space in there. So I'm going to start you off with Facetory. I'm an affiliate for Facetory, and if you buy using my link, I'll get a couple of pennies, which will help me with some of the shipping. But this is a 7-sheet mask collection. So this is 7 of their favorites. So that's in a nice package there, and that fits perfectly in that box. And then I have this. I forgot to take it out of the package, y'all. I have this. I got this a while ago from Elf, and it wasn't exactly what I thought it was. So I will show it to you. It fits in this box. That's why it's going in this box. It is, let me see. It's packaged. Oh, okay. It has this little thing here, this sort of false piece here. And then this is it. It's very pretty. And Elf means eyes, lips, and face. And that's what it says on there. And when you open it, it's a nice plastic case. It has a nice lock to it. When you open it, there's a mirror on one side. And there are these. It's not in the best condition, even though I've never used it. It has, just from shipping, I think. There is no color saver. So the mirror, whoever gets this will have to clean the mirror off, because there's like some just a little bit of powder on it or something. But you have these beautiful shades. These are all eye shades, quite a selection. And then what you do is you take that out, and then it's not the easiest thing. I don't want to, okay. And then, all right, here is it's an empty case, okay, with a mirror. And then you have this face section, okay? So there's this tray with your face colors, okay? And then your eye colors. And there is a little gouge right there, but I don't know how that happened. See, and there's a little powder. So it's not the best thing, but don't worry, there's a lot of great things in here. So that will go in there, okay? I know it's going to be after Halloween when you get this, but I also have this beautiful Midnight Masquerade. This is the coloring book illustrated by Hannah Carlzon. It's Tales from the Midnight Masquerade, and it's an absolutely beautiful bound book, and it is a coloring book with all the masquerade pictures in it. Just gorgeous. And with that are colored pencils. Okay, that goes with that. And let's see what else I have. Of course, I have to have a sponge gel for you. So I have the Winter Rose sponge gel. Love it, love it, love it. I have Safer Recipe Panthenol and Ceramide. This is a face cream. This is Korean Beauty. I have ColourPop Falsy eyelashes. So these are honey in the honey. They're very pretty, very, very pretty. I have this Eyelash Boost Serum from the brand Dime. Very expensive, nice product. And then I have the $1 Billion Brows. This is a little smashed up, but I haven't messed with it at all. I did take it out to show you when I got it from Fab Fit Fun. This is Condition, Color, and Control of Brow Kits. So there's a few pieces in there. I won't take it out right now because otherwise this will get too long. I have the brand Ico. I have a pencil sharpener and then this beautiful liner. This is a double-sided. It's Dawn and Dusk, so it's double-ended. That's a very nice, I use that, I like it a lot. I have the Beauty Crop Cocoa Rose Blush Palette. Let me take it out and show you that. It's very nicely wrapped in here with bubble. This is plastic, beautiful. And, oops, it looks like that. Very, very pretty. It has a color saver, it has a mirror. And I have Earth Harbor Glow Juice. This is beautiful and really cool. It is, you can see it's gel in there. Isn't it cool? It's cool just to play with, but you should use it for your skin. I have this really cute little thing from Stylevana. This is a cute little cream. It's this cute little thing you can have on your desk or by your bedside. It is lotion. And I have Makeup of the Day, a 5-piece set of eyeshadow brushes. Very pretty. They're pink. They're very pretty. I have a Bubble Tea Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer. So that is a giant bath fizzer in there, y'all. And I have this lovely, this is Honey Exfoliate and Hydrate Melted Honey Sugar Scrub. Nice big bottle of that. Of course, I have some masks for you. Just a couple, because it's really hard to squeeze everything in there. I've got a Super Beauty mask from Honey Jarrett in Apple. Love it. I have a heated mask for, this doesn't have much English on it at all, if any. Made in Japan, it says. Japanese beauty. This is one of those that when you open it, it starts to heat up and you use it to fall asleep, or if you have a headache to help you, that type of thing. I am giving you one of my very favorite under eye masks, Dew of the Gods. Love that, love it, love it. I have a couple more things. I have this beautiful necklace. This came from Fab Fit Fun, and this is a set. Whoops, I'm dropping things. There's 2 packages here. This is from the Bauble Bar and Sanctuary Project. They did a little combination thing here, and this is the necklace, that beautiful pink rose quartz, and it's on a gold chain. And does it say how long it is? Not that I can see. And then this little Bauble Bar package. And what's in here is these little things to extend your necklace, and this to add necklaces together. And then this would go behind your neck, and then you'd have 3 necklaces coming down if you choose to do that. And that is very beautiful little set. And then I have, the last thing is this here. I have it wrapped up real nice. Let me unwrap it. And I have to get everything back in that box. But I have this absolutely gorgeous palette. This is Natasha Denona. And this one is called Peak, P-E-A-K, Gorgeous Fall Colors. This opens very, it has a little, it stays nice and closed. It opens this way. And here are the gorgeous colors. I think this is valued at $48. Very, very beautiful. And that is the giveaway. So if you'd like to win this giveaway, just say enter me. It's not a secret. I really would appreciate y'all sharing me out. I've been on for 2 years, and this has really been it's incredible to me. I can't believe it. I mean, I never wanted to do anything like this that I knew. I just was watching people do videos and liking what they were doing and thought, well, I want a giveaway, and let me show my giveaway. This looks like fun. And that's what happened. And that's how I got started. And here it is 2 years later. So thank you so, so much for being here. Thank you for all of your kind words and all of your love and support. It's so important to me. I love talking to y'all in the comments. I love it. And just, you know, that y'all have taken me in as your friend, and you love my pets, and you're with me. You've been with me through 2 of my pets passing away that were just heartaches for me, and y'all have helped me through that. And y'all just help me every day. You help me get through each and every day, and I can't thank you enough. I'm so glad you're here, and I love y'all. Okay, so count your blessings, everybody. And like I said, this will end November 5th. And if I forgot anything, which I know I did, I always forget something, it's all in the description, okay? Thanks so much for stopping by, and take care. Bye-bye.